In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Amazon Prime membership. We'll go through everything on the Amazon website so you can quickly view your membership details, change settings, update your payment method, or cancel if you need to, all from one place. First, head to the Amazon website and sign into your account. On the top right, hover over the Account and Lists menu. From the drop-down, click your Prime membership. This takes you straight to the Manage Your Prime Membership page, which is the control center for your subscription. Here, you can see your current membership status and renewal date, review your Prime benefits, and make changes such as updating payment details, switching plans, or ending your membership. If you need to update your payment method, look for the option to manage or update payment. You can change the card on file and adjust your billing information. This is important to ensure auto-renewal uses the correct payment method, especially if a card expired or you prefer a different one. After updating, double-check that the right card is selected as the default for Prime to avoid any interruptions. You can also change your plan between monthly and yearly billing. Switching to an annual plan can often save money over the course of a year, while the monthly plan may help if you prefer a lower upfront cost. When you switch, the change typically applies at your next billing cycle, and you'll see the updated amount before you confirm. To keep track of charges, review your renewal date on this page. It tells you exactly when you'll be billed next. If you don't want your membership to continue, you can turn off auto-renew, so there are no surprises. Your benefits remain active until the end of the current billing period. If you decide to cancel, select Manage Membership and choose End Membership. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. The site may ask you to confirm a couple of times, which is normal. Once completed, you'll still keep your Prime benefits until your current period ends. You can also review your benefits and usage from this page. It's a great way to see what you're actually using, like fast shipping, streaming, or other perks, and decide whether Prime continues to be a good value for you. A few important notes before we wrap up. Prime is a recurring subscription and will auto-renew unless you change it. Everything we covered can be handled from this single page without contacting support. And if you don't see certain options, make sure you're the main account holder rather than part of a household profile.